Hello loves, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is this makeup I did for my Instagram, so I just wanted to show you how I did it, and also it's a vertical video, so sorry about that. So let's get started. I'm gonna start by using the soft ochre paint pot by MAC and just apply it to my eyes. Now I'll be taking my Jaclyn Hill palette with Morphe and taking this kind of pinkish brownish color, and I'm just gonna apply it to my crease as my transition color. Now I'll be taking Sista's James Charles palette with Morphe, and I'll be taking that color, which is the color Mary, and I'm gonna apply it directly to my crease. I want the color I applied first to be on top, and then this one's going to be directly in my crease to just have some transition between those two colors and also a little bit more depth in my eyes. Now I'll be taking the Modern Renaissance by Anstasia Beverly Hills and taking the color Red Ochre, and I only apply it to my outer corners, and actually I'm going to really intensify it in my outer corners and just add a little bit to my crease because I really want to create depth in my eye. So that is what I'm doing. And now I'm taking the Jaclyn Hill palette, taking that color just to darken it up a little, the outer corner. And don't forget to blend. This is a very important step in this makeup tutorial, just to all the colors have a really good transition and not very blocky. And then I'm going to take that color, and it's more of a brownish purple color. I'm just going to apply to the outer corner because I really wanted to intensify the outer corner and make it look like a cat eye, so my eyes would look like if they're pulled up, because my eyes are downturned. So that was the impression I was trying to make. And blend. So I did cut my crease, but Lord knows I don't know how to do it and I don't know how to explain it. So just watch me or go watch somebody else who knows how to do it, because look at me. Oh, there we go. Now I'll be taking the Morphe 24G and gonna take this purple pinky shade, and I'm only gonna apply it to my lid, but I didn't like how it was looking because it was too light and I wanted that transition from a light color to the very dark. So I took that other color I just showed you and only apply it where my outer corner and my lid color intersect, so you can really get that transition from very light color from the inner corner to that very almost black color in the outer corner. Because I don't want a harsh line, I'm just gonna blend. Look at me, blend. Yes girl. So remember to really blend all your colors. Now I'll be taking again the Modern Renaissance palette, and I'm applying the color Primavera because I really want my inner corners to be very bright, and that's what I'm doing, just applying it there. And now we're gonna mix these two colors and just apply it in our brow bone to really get those eyebrows lifted. Now I'm taking the tapes off because that really helps create that cat eye look. And now boom, we have lashes and eyeliner. Now taking the Smashbox Primerizer primer and just apply it to the outer parts of my face because they're the most dried. And now we're going to take the e.l.f. Poreless Putty primer, just apply it in the center of my face to create that super snatched look. And now I'm going to take the new L'Oreal Infallible foundation and just apply it with a EcoTools sponge. And also I'm using the e.l.f. Camo concealer and just apply it to where I think I need it, under my eyes. And also I'm going to take the Colourpop No Filter concealer and apply it because I really want to brighten my face. I want to look like Kardashian girl. That's what we're going for. Yes, look at me. Ooh. Now gonna apply the Fit Me loose powder. You know I love this powder by Maybelline, and just really baking under there. And oh, she fancy. Now that I'm gonna take the Chanel Teint de Soleil and really bronze my face with like a bronzy look. And this was inspired by Ariana Grande, so we know she's the queen of bronzing. So yes, now taking the Kat Von D Shading Light and using that color to just set the cream bronzer and just bronzing a little bit more. And now I'm gonna contour using the same palette. And yeah, that's that. Using a fan brush. I love using a fan brush to contour. It really helps me. And now cleaning it up with some loose powder. Yes, I love that sponge. Look at that, sharp. Yes. Now taking the Milani Tea Rose blush and just apply a little bit to my cheeks. Look at that. It makes such a difference. Looks very natural, very youthful. Yes. Now taking this Wet n Wild highlighter and just applying it there. But this is my favorite part. I got the loose highlighter and look. Ooh! Girl, am I blinding or what? Just contouring a little bit my nose. Just a little bit. And now I'm gonna apply highlighter in my nose. The tip of my nose and the bridge as well. For under my eyes, I'm just gonna take the exact same shades I used on my crease and outer corner, just to look at me. It's the same shades, so yeah, I'm just using even smaller brushes as I get to that really dark purple shade. Now for lips, I'm taking this Kylie Cosmetics lip liner in Dolce K and just outlining my lips and also filling them a little bit. I prefer the Candy K lip liner, but I'm out of it, so I used this one. It's really great. I love this lip liner. Super smooth. Now taking this Milani lipstick in Teddy Bear, just applying to my lips. This lipstick smells amazing. Now taking this lip gloss with Dose of Colors and I Love Sarai, just applying it, and we are all done. Hope you guys liked this video. It was different because it was vertical, and I'm sorry about that, but I really enjoyed this makeup tutorial and I hope you also like it. Don't forget to comment down below if you want to see any other types of videos. Also subscribe and hit the bell to get notified when I upload a video. You could also follow me on my social medias and my vlog channel, which will be linked down below. Yeah, I love you very much and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!